Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanil Nigalye, and if you're missing a single tooth, I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't let it go. Many people are missing a tooth or multiple teeth for one of three reasons: trauma, decay, or gum disease. I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't let it go. You may be asking, what happens if we don't replace a missing tooth? We typically find that other teeth shift around, your bite will collapse, and you'll lose function on that side of your mouth. As a result, your other teeth will be doing all of the work. Because your other teeth will be doing all of the work, they're also at higher risk for breakage and fracture. As those teeth break, you'll be spending more money in restoring those teeth as well. There are many ways to replace a single missing tooth. The most common ways are a bridge, also known as a fixed partial denture, or a dental implant. Once the dentist, my stomach was growling. Once your dentist prepares the adjacent teeth, the lab can fabricate the restoration and deliver to you in just a few weeks. The biggest disadvantage to a bridge is that you have to grind down the two adjacent teeth. Now you're compromising more teeth in order to replace the one missing tooth. While the bridge is in place, you're losing bone underneath the missing tooth. Hygiene is different, and usually one of the abutment teeth fail, and now you got a more expensive problem. Also, a bridge only lasts on average about 8 to 10 years. The preferred way to replace a missing tooth is with a dental implant. Why is a dental implant so great? It's easy. Number one, you don't have to affect the neighboring teeth. Number two, there's no bone loss, and number three, the hygiene is the same as your own natural tooth. You may be asking, how soon should I replace a missing tooth? Ideally, we want to replace a missing tooth soon after it's been extracted. We typically see the most amount of bone loss between 3 to 6 months after the tooth has been removed. To find out more about dental implants and learn how you can make the most of your investment, please call us for a consultation.